Beautiful 14 karat jewelry in CZ polkas. This is the first one, 1 inch size with 6 changeable stones vastundi. 6 varieties of colors vastayi. So the beautiful changeable set, almost 1 inch size vastundi. Next we have 18 karat beautiful stud. This is also 1 inch size with a trapezium kind of a shape. CZ polkas tho vachindi. Next we have nice hangings and a flower motif tho ikkada vastundi, pearl hanging, which is made on a 14 karat gold. Next we have 1.5 inch, almost 1.5 inch size vastundandi with CZ polkas. Next we have cute little earrings with a flower shape and a gold ball at the bottom. Next we have Nakshi design with the rice pearls at the bottom, made in 14 karat gold. Next we have beautiful good size chandabali earrings, almost 3.5 grams vastundandi with a 2 line of wiring vachindi. Ikkada meer chuste ganuka 2 line wiring vachindi. Beautiful chandabalis. Next we have blue color earrings with the 3 hangings, butterfly shape lo vachindi, butterfly shape lo. Next we have sapphire earrings, sapphire polka. Next is CZ polkas, 1.5 inch size. Then we have carved rose quartz with the CZ polka hangings. This we have with the choker also, or without choker if you want. Next we have a chandelier kind of a earring. Beautiful 3 line step curve shape lo vastundi. Next we have beautiful, most requested piece, chaala mandi piece kosam adigaru. Beautiful hangings almost 1.5 inch size vastundi. Next we have Navratna cute little hanging with gold ball, and then we have hook style for the kids with the leaf petal shaped stud with the pearl hanging, and then we have a pumpkin emerald stud with pearl hanging. Then we have beautiful tiger nail chaala baaguntundi, finishing is outstanding. And then we have peacock earrings with a pear shape emerald at the bottom, and then we have hook style triangular shape meenakari work, and then we have black color studs, 1 inch size, beautiful finish. And then we have meenakari outline CZ polkas tho almost 1.2 inches vastundi idi. And then we have pear shaped multicolor studs almost 1.4 inches. And then we have cute little chandabalis, 1 inch size chandabalis, very cute. And then we have circular ruby color studs with a ruby hanging. And then we have long earrings, chandelier kind of a concept with a pink hanging, almost 1.5 inch size. And then we have cute little studs with the gold ball hanging. Most sold pieces ivi, chaala mandi teeskunnaru ivi. And then this also most sold piece, very budget friendly. So this is how it looks. And then we have hook style, again a flower kind of shape with diamonds at the bottom and with ruby hanging. And then we have evergreen emerald stud with a pearl hanging. And then we have cute petal style earrings. So these are the some of our collection in 14 karat gold of today's sale. Don't miss this Sunday. Please take a screenshot if you have, or any round of the picture, and you can share it with me. Okay, thank you.